Hey guys, Allison from Zitrev You. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be doing 11-minute full body workout. But first, if you are new, join our community by sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Get your mat and let's get going. Alright guys, let's begin with tiny bicycles. One leg is gonna straight to 45 degrees and the other one is gonna stay bent. So this is also going to work out your quads and your femoral muscle. So let's get going. Okay guys, for this next exercise, you're just gonna keep your legs up and all you're gonna do, your legs are gonna crisscross and then gonna open to the side while you do a crunch. So when your legs are up, you do a crunch, and when your legs open, you lower down your torso. So you know, we work a lot of coordination. This works your inner thighs and your abs. Okay, for next exercise, you're just gonna stay on the side. You're gonna keep your elbow on the ground and remember to align your elbow with your shoulder. Your legs are gonna be a little bit bent. They're not really extremely bent, and all you're gonna be doing is just lifting your hips off the ground and your upper leg up and down as well. So just follow along. You go up with the hips and with the leg. So this is gonna work out your side glutes. Okay guys, get ready to go to the other side. Remember, just lift your hips off the ground and your upper leg. So your glutes should be burning by now. Okay, for the next exercise, we're gonna go on a shoulder bridge. And we are just gonna lift the right leg off the ground. And with our hips, we're gonna go up and down. When we're doing this exercise, make sure you're actually lifting your hips off the ground and then bring them back completely to the ground. This has to make your glutes burn, and it's also gonna give you a lot of control. So just do a couple more, and when you hear the bell, we're gonna switch to the other leg. Excellent job, you guys. Now let's go stand up, and we're gonna do a couple of lunges. So you're pretty familiar with these ones. So you're just gonna keep one leg forward and the other one back, and we're just gonna bend, trying to touch the floor with our back knee, but really don't touch it. And make sure the front knee just stays in line with your toes. And this really has to be feeling in your quads, your femoral muscles, and your glutes. Okay, let's get ready to switch to the other leg. Remember, keep your toes aligned with your knees, and just don't really bring all the way down your knee. Just that's the point. You keep your balance. Just don't touch the floor with your back knee, and keep the strength on your legs. For the next exercise, we're just gonna go to side lunge. So this is, and I don't mean lunge as lunge. We are going to do this one because we really want to work out our inner thigh. So I don't know if you can see on the mirror how we actually bring a little bit the glute back, also to keep the alignment of the toes with the knee. That's really important, you guys. If you lose that alignment, the knees are not gonna feel really pretty on that. So just try to keep that aligned and really make this one feel in the inner thigh. And we're just gonna get ready to switch to the other side. Okay, for almost last exercise, we're gonna go back to the floor, and this time we're gonna do like a different plank. We're just gonna bend our knees, keeping our toes on the floor, and obviously our hands on the floor. And you're just gonna lift your knees off the ground, and all you're gonna be doing is trying to touch the right leg with your opposite hand, and then switch them. And this really has to feel in your quads and your abs. Okay guys, for this next exercise, we're gonna do a plank, and then from this plank, we're gonna go to a high plank, and then we're gonna bring our knees inside and then back out, like we were doing actually a mountain climber, but without actually jumping. And then you're gonna go back to a high plank, and then to a lower plank, and then you repeat this exercise a couple more times, and then we're gonna get ready to do our last two exercises for abs. Okay you guys, this is the last one, and we are gonna go for almost our last exercise, because remember we're doing 11 minutes of full body workout. Now we're gonna go to a crisscross. So instead of doing a normal crisscross, we did this one on our last video, we are going to tap our leg to the floor, and we're gonna try to reach our opposite knee with our opposite elbow, doing a nice crunch. Now we did this exercise on our last video, as I said before, and if you didn't see it, you can go to our YouTube channel and check the 8-minute ab workout from last week. And then we're gonna get ready to switch just to do crunch. So let's get ready, and we're just gonna do 20 crunches here. Remember to keep your elbows open, so this actually is gonna be easy on the neck, and you're gonna actually feel it on your abs. Thank you so much, you guys. You are done. You did amazing. You can just hug your knees and breathe. And well, if you would like to know more about body mobility, you can click on the link below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and comment. We would like to hear what else would you like to work out, or what recipes you would like to do, or what else about wellness you would like to know. See you next week.